Okay, to install Boinc in Ubuntu 23.10, open a terminal and type sudo add-apt-repository universe. Next, type sudo apt update. Next, type sudo apt install boinc-y. Next, type sudo usermod -a capital G Boinc and then your username. Now type sudo reboot, and when you come back, type sudo systemctl enable --now boinc-client. Okay, next type ps aux and then pipe grep Boinc, and we can see that Boinc has started. So now we can close the terminal, go to the applications, and under System Tools, start Boinc Manager. And the first thing we need to do is pick a project. I'm already subscribed to Einstein at home, so I'll click that. And it's looking for signals from neutron stars. So I'll click Next. Then agree to the terms of use. Click Next. I'm an existing user, so enter my email address and password and then click Next. Okay, when the project is added, click Finish. Then you can see that the Boinc Manager is waiting to connect, and now it is downloading work from the server. And it's starting to work on the first project. Now you notice the Notices button at the bottom is blinking red. Whenever I click that, it locks up my computer. But if you want to pause Boinc, you can click the Suspend button. If you go up to Options, Computing Preferences, all I get is a blank box. So I'll go ahead and close that. The way I get to Computer Preferences is going up to View, Advanced View, Options, and then Computing Preferences. This is where you can set your CPU limits. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.